Introducing the Tohnichi DOT700N Torque Tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with utmost precision. Engineered by Tohnichi, a leading brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and versatility for various applications. With a wide torque range of 70 to 700 Newton meters, the 700N is suitable for testing a diverse range of tools and components. The easy-to-read analog dial provides clear and accurate torque readings, ensuring precise measurements every time. The mechanical loading device enables smooth and consistent torque application, enhancing testing accuracy. Designed to be set horizontally, the 700N eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the testing process. Effortless calibration is achieved by simply rotating the handle, ensuring accurate measurements throughout its lifespan. The Tohnichi DOT700N Torque Tester is an indispensable tool for quality control and maintenance professionals. Invest in precision and reliability with the DOT700N.